Welcome to Car Crash USA. The car seemed confused, but fortunately, everyone is okay.
Что-то, блядь, разворачивается. Ебаный в рот, блядь.
Please focus at intersections. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about the crashes in this video. Pay attention and observe. Intersections are critical.
Video is now.
Let the long vehicle go first.
Locked.
The blue car didn't seem to look. Pay attention. Enter and exit intersections at appropriate speeds. The road was slippery, and he lost control of his car. He changed his mind too quickly, a dangerous mistake. The small car seems to be going the wrong way. Signal and check before changing lanes. Mind the distance to the car ahead. Don't cut off cars like that. Luckily, everyone is okay. He seemed to fall asleep at the wheel. Stop when that happens. He has enough wheels. No need for God to send more. Pay attention to the road divider. Be sure to check before turning. He went past the safe turning point. Turn earlier next time. The speed is too high, but fortunately, everyone is okay. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a dramatic car crash moment. A chain collision in the tunnel, but thankfully, everyone is okay.
What exit? What exit? Oh shit! Holy fuck! Oh my god! Holy
Pay attention from afar to react in time.
Oh my god, somebody probably just died. Holy fuck.
The truck exceeded the height limit.
Блять!
Before pulling out a new road. The car suddenly crashed into the shop, but thankfully, everyone is okay. Running a red light brought quick consequences. Please observe and yield. Unexpected situations occur. Always maintain distance between vehicles. Slow down for this situation.
Don't hit the brake, just go straight.
Crossing lanes dangerously.
I got that on dash
You'll have to
cam.
deal with the police.
That's on dash cam.
Check before moving. The truck is too heavy to slow down quickly. He ran a red light, which is terrible. is okay. Look both ways when crossing the street. Speed can be flexible, but yielding is a rule. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Keep supporting Car Crash USA by sharing and subscribing. Exit parking spaces slowly. Reducing speed will help keep you safe.